there's been some other YouTubers that have gone up there and dismissed the site because of saying that the back side doesn't have a particular formation, that it was all that it because the other side is higher, that this wasn't a
completely
back wall.
uniform or something, like
Right,
just such BS. And like you've actually documented there that there's also a second parallel wall that's like more degraded that runs by portions of it. You found other megalithic carving, or the holes in the stones and stuff like that, and then the different polygonal masonry